Welcome to today's show. My name is Muftau Waliu, and today with me I have Muftau Yakub, I have Naija.wifey, I have Muftau Adam, I have Muftau Kamil. Let's go. Ask your mom any question in Yoruba and she has to answer. Let's go. Yeah.
What is wolf in Yoruba?
Okay. Do you hear that?
Yes.
What is wolf?
Aja is dog and Aja, what was it? Ajawaro?
No.
Ajako. Okay.
Ajako.
Okay.
I know it.
Yeah, I know you know it. Okay, mom, you got the first question wrong. Okay, Yakub?
No, it was 50% right.
50% right because there is
Yeah.
Aja there. Okay,
Yes.
but shall we give her?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Now, oh yeah. Ask her something else.
What is train in Yoruba?
What is train in Yoruba? What is a train in Yoruba? Madam?
Oko is car. Oko... Podpowiedz proszę.
No, you cannot ask them in Polish because...
No, they have to give me some tip. No,
Okay.
jakie to jest? No, jak to było? Oko...
Można powiedzieć
Okoro?
Nie można powiedzieć.
Oh, God. No. Okay, where?
Julie.
Thank you for watching me. I did try it. Omo Yoruba Dara. I know it's wrong, but anyway. That's how you learn the language. You allow yourself to make mistakes to later just to remember the phrases and then to correct yourself afterwards. So, double edit. So I said Omo Yoruba Dara. It means that Yoruba people are good, but what I meant was Yoruba me Dara, which means that my Yoruba is good. So as I said, when you make mistakes, you learn from them. My husband corrected me, so a new thing that I've learned today. Yes. Audible.
Ọmọ Yorùbá lèmi o.
Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel Yoruba Pikin and remember to hit the notification bell to enjoy more of our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. Odabo.